Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to export time logs across projects in Zoho Projects. Alright, so first up, go to the left panel right here, click on time logs, and make sure to select the correct week or month or date range. Okay, say for example, I'm going to go ahead and select the month of November or December. Okay, and then I'm just going to click on OK right here. As you can see here, we have the ID and the projects. Okay, as you can see, we have two different projects right here in this specific month. Now, if you want to as well, you can go ahead and filter this more. Okay, group by date or all time logs, all pending, all approved, all rejected, all billable, non-billable, or all archived projects. Okay, also you can go ahead and go to filter right here, filter it by a project, or you can go ahead and select all. Okay, and once that's done, all you need to do next is just go ahead and go to the top right, click on the three dots, and just export it to a PDF. Or select export time logs and export it as an XLSX file or CSV. And if you want to as well, you gotta export this one with file information. Project category is it active, archived, or both archived and active. Select the date range, current, okay? Or if you want some changes, you gotta select it from here. Count and period. If you want to add in more columns, just go ahead and do so, okay? Maybe approval by or cost per hour. Just click on the right arrow key to move it right here. And the columns in this section will be included on the file export. If you want to add in all columns like so, well, just go ahead and click on move all right here. Schedule this export or export it now. Okay. Hit on yes right here. Give it a password. Click on OK. And it says here time log export is in progress. Just wait for it. And if you want to do something, okay, you don't have to wait. You'll be able to receive a email, okay, to whatever email that is tied to your Zoho Projects account. Okay. Also, you have that download button in here. Just click on download, wait for it, save it wherever you want. And once that's done, you can go ahead and open up the RAR file, export it, or just double click on it if you want to see it. Enter the password and hit on OK. And there you have it. You can convert it right here or do not convert. It's up to you. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.